Quick question for you out there. Yes, you. When was the last time you went shopping online? Amazon? Google? Well, guess what? Buying and selling a home is no different. When you are selling your home, placing a fancy yard sign on your lawn and just entering it in the MLS is pretty simple and basic. Are you missing out on social media platforms with the most traffic and you need to get the maximum exposure to get your home in front of the most potential buyers? Because 95% of buyers are searching online for their next home and 77% are using social media for that search. Now, believe it or not, according to the NAR, the National Association of Realtors, only 16% of agents are using social media in their marketing strategy. And can you believe it? Only 1% of them are doing it correctly. As a real estate professional, it is my job to go the extra mile and make sure that the seller has every chance possible to sell their home. So I came up with a disruptive, strategic, digital marketing plan that places your home in front of thousands of potential buyers that is looking in your area every week. You are probably looking at this video as a result of these very efforts. Now, if you want to know more about how I use these tools of Fortune 500 companies to place your home in front of the most potential buyers, give me a call. And when you're ready, let's move forward together. I'm Walter Van, your local Long Beach digital realtor at eXp Realty. I'll see you next time.